time to ride Roger Rabbit again. Can't wait to get on this. I'm looking forward to this one. It's crazy. It's going all over the place. Whoa. Oh, this looks fun. Oh, we're falling! Falling! Ah! Ah!
I'll get the Brutus! I love it!
Don't dare look friendly!
This ought to put you out of contrition. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. This will make us sweat on good on you. Something to forget me by.
Ooh, a portable hole! Thanks, Roger!
Please remain
That
seated.
ends,
Your cab will begin moving in just...
and we are good to go. Benny, Lenny, and Lenny, and Lenny. Lenny must be very popular, Benny not so much. Gonna miss this ride, it was super fun. Look, a sign of things to come. They're building this here. It's got some cool pictures on here. Love this. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad was super fun. I'm looking forward to this. That's cool they're building this here now too. It's already been started. Time is a ticket on Toontown. Just stoked I got to come here one last time. Now it's off to the next adventure.